Hello everyone, and in front of me is KODAK K10, and let me show you how to change date and time on this device. So at first open the settings, then find and select system. If you are not on this panel, smoothly mark system. Then go to date and time, and at first you need to switch off automatic date and time, so just unmark the indicator. And now select date and time. And that's it. As you can see, it has been already set. If you wish to go back to automatic setup, just mark the stop indicator and it will be set. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.